Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Notion calendar sync with Google for planning, full guide step by step clearly.
Open the Notion app on your device.
Navigate to the workspace where you'd like to configure calendar sync.
Click on the page where your calendar is located.
If you haven't created a calendar yet, add a new database and select the calendar view.
In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the database menu. Select Settings from the drop-down list. Scroll down to find the option labeled Sync with External Calendar. Click on Connect Calendar. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and allow Notion to access your calendar.
After granting access, you'll be redirected back to Notion.
Select which Google Calendar you'd like to sync with Notion.
You can choose to sync all events or select specific calendars based on your needs.
Once you've made your selection, click on Save. Your Notion calendar. To confirm the sync, create a test event in Google Calendar. Switch to Notion and refresh the calendar page. You should see the new event appear in your Notion calendar.
If there are any issues, check the integration settings to ensure everything is correctly configured.
You can also adjust the sync frequency under the Settings menu if needed. That's it. You're now ready to plan effectively using your synced Notion calendar and Google Calendar.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.